Hello students, this is Swati Deshpande teacher. Today I will be taking miscellaneous from 5th standard scholarship IT section. See, miscellaneous is unit 12, which is the last unit, right? Miscellaneous is nothing but the revision of entire portion. So sums of different types or different chapters will be there in this miscellaneous. Many students had requested me to upload the video on miscellaneous, so today I am doing. Okay, so let's go ahead. Students, first sum will appear on your screen. 4 small equilateral triangles with equal sides are arranged in a way to form a big equilateral triangle. How many times of the side of the small equilateral triangles will be the side of the big equilateral triangle? So there are 4 small equilateral triangles, right? Like this. They are all same. Equilateral means all sides are equal, right? They want us to arrange this 4 equilateral triangle in such a way that a big equilateral triangle is formed. Like this. And like this, all sides are same. So what is their question? They are asking how many times of the side of the small equilateral triangles will be the side of the big equilateral triangle. Here you are supposed to read the question properly. Whether they want us to compare small triangle with the bigger one or bigger triangle with the smaller one. That may change your answer. Here they are asking us how big is this side of this bigger equilateral triangle as compared to the smaller one. So here this is one side. Like that, here there are 2 sides. Means the side of bigger equilateral triangle is 2 times the side of the smaller equilateral triangle. Just observation. Right? This is only one side. Like that there are 2 sides. So 2 times. Okay. Let's go ahead. Next sum will also appear on your screen. In a number 165 triangle, which digit should replace the symbol triangle so that the number when divided by 4 will give the remainder 1? And options are 9, 1, 7, 8. 9, 1, 7, 8. These are the options given. And the number is 1, 6, 5 and triangle. And they are saying remainder is 1. Students, remember, what do you mean by remainder? Remainder means something which remains. Why does it remain? Because it is extra. It is not required in that division or in that calculation. That remains extra, right? That is the remainder. So first we need to remove that remainder. So here I would suggest, see, some students can do it straight away, but in case you have a difficulty, then you take help of options. Here main thing is you have to apply the divisibility of 4, right? What is the divisibility of 4? Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4, right? You all know that. Okay, so that one extra I am removing from all the options. I am minusing. So I am getting this as 8067. So if I put 8 here, then this will be 58. Is this completely divisible by 4? See, once I remove that extra out, I have subtracted. Then whatever is the digit, if I replace this triangle by that digit, then 58 or 52 or 50 whatever, that should be completely divisible by 4. Okay, now that tension of remainder is not there. We have removed that remainder. So after removing that remainder, whatever digit comes, if we replace it here, then whatever last 2 digits are there, they should be completely divisible by 4, right? So 58. Is it divisible by 4? No. We don't get remainder 0 when we divide 58 by 4. So this option is not correct. If I put 0 here, then it will be 50. 50 is completely divisible by 4? No. You can do that. Divide this by 4 and see. If you get remainder 0, then you can say it is completely divisible. 6. So it will be 56. Yes, when we divide 56 by 4, then remainder is 0. Here quotient is of no use, remainder. If this is 0 means yes. When we put 6 here, 1656 is completely divisible by 4. But since they have one remainder, one extra, it won't be 6, it will be 7. So correct answer is this, 7. We have made this 6 by removing extra. Huh? Please be careful. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Students, next question is, which letter will replace the question mark in the adjoining figure? Figure I have already drawn on the board. See students, here each letter has one serial number. Like you all have roll numbers in the school, right? In the same way, each letter has a serial number. A is 1, B is 2. They will give you in the question paper, they will print it on top. So you don't have to write it, okay? It will be there and they are grouped in 5 letters. A, B, C, D, E, like that. 5 letters, okay? Each letter has a number, has a serial number. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, like that. Okay, so we are supposed to make use of those numbers, because with the help of letters we won't be able to proceed. When we assign a numerical value to these letters, we can do something with those numbers, right? What will we do with letters? Only symmetry, number of lines, उसके आगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा, right? When we get numbers for those letters, we can apply many mathematical things, concepts. Right? Okay. Chalo, we'll do that. Okay. I would suggest first to arrange all these letters in serial order. Starting with A. A, then D, then G, J, then M, then S, V and Y. Right? Now we will write down the serial numbers. See, A, B, C, D, E, then F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Z we don't consider. So this is 1 and this is 25. 5 ke groups hai. So if you want to find out serial number of F, you don't have to do 1, 2, 3, 5, then 6. If I want to find out M, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Like that you should do. Okay. So A is 1, D is 4, G is 7, J is 10, M is 13, S is 19, V is 22. And Y is 25. Now since we have assigned numerical values to these letters, we can find out some relation. See, observe these numbers, they are gradually increasing. So find out the difference. 1 and 4, how much is the difference? 3. 7 minus 4, 3. 10 minus 7, 3. This is also 3. Here it is 6. Here it is 3. Here it is 3. So question mark must be here, because here the gap is more. We must divide it into 3 and 3. So 13 plus 3 is 16. So we should find out 16th letter which will come in place of question mark, and that letter is P. 5, 10, 15 and this one is 16. So our answer is P. Isn't it easy? Interesting. है कि नहीं? right? So whenever they give you letters, try to give them their serial numbers. Okay, चल आगे बढ़ते हैं. Students, next sum will appear on your screen. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Which will be the digit in the units place after the multiplication? See, I have written it here. See, you can multiply and see how much time will it take. If I add 3 more numbers, then even more time, right? So we have to work smartly. Here they are asking which digit will come in the units place. So units place only is going to help you. How? I will show you. I will show you the shortcut. Make a group of two numbers. This one, let it be. Okay. 3 into 3, 9. Into 3 into 3, 9. Into ये 3 ऐसे ही रहेगा. Now again make a group of 2 and this one. Okay. 9 into 9, 81. Into this 3. Now this number is 2 digit. Now take only units place. I told you units place is going to help you. Take only units place. No need of tens place digit. Into 3. Answer is 3. Isn't it easy? I did not multiply. Have I done multiplication? No. I have not done any multiplication except this small. I have not done this entire thing. Only small. And then again 2 ka group and I continued. Right? And when it became 2 digit, take only the units place. Okay. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. This one. See students, this is going to be very easy. Basic multiplication, basic addition, nothing great. Or squares, cubes, whatever numbers you all know. Nothing extraordinary, believe me. Only thing is what is going to make the difference is the observation. You need to observe the numbers, whatever are given to you. See, observe. 2, 3, 1, 4. From this 2, 3 and 1, 4, how they have got this 14? We don't have any other numbers but 2, 3, 1, 4. Then how? In that also 2, 3 are together, 1, 4 are together. So now what? We have to try. If one doesn't work, we have to search for some other logic. Right? Some logic will be there. So you have to find that. Now, what can be done? See this 2, if I multiply with this 1, first number of this and first number of this, 2 into 1, that is 2, and another number 3 and another number 4. So 3 into 4, 12. If I add this, I am getting 14. I have to apply this again for this. If this is applicable here also, then I have a reason to be happy. I can apply that here. But unless and until I see here, I cannot say whatever I have thought is correct. So let me see. 3 here, 2 here. 3 2s are 6 and 4 5s are 20. Yes, it is correct. So yes, now I can apply. 4 into 3, 12 plus 5 into 6, 30. So answer is 42. Our answer is 42. Isn't it easy? Basic multiplication and addition. First standard, right? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Students, I have written few sums on the board. See this sum first. See, they have given the letters here. So our job is to give their respective serial number. How much is F? F is 6. This is 2. L is 12. D is 4. R is 16. I is 9. O is 15. And E is 5. Now observe the numbers. Now since numbers are there, we can very well observe their relationship. How are they related? 6 and 2, 12 and 4, 16 and 9, 15 and 5. If I observe this, 2 into 3 is 6. 4 into 3 is 12. 5 into 3 is 15. But 9 into 3 is not 16. So this is odd. So simple. A small multiplication has given us correct answer. Isn't it easy? I told you the basic operations will be involved. Only thing is you need to observe the numbers. Chalo. Find out the missing term. They have given certain terms here. Again they are in letters. So your job is to give their serial numbers. What is H? 8. D is 4. D is 4. J is 10. This is 11. This is 5. This is 9. This is 9. Observe the numbers again. Now since we have got the numbers, they are no longer letters. We have got the numbers. Observe. What are they? See, like this, there is no specific relationship between them. This is same, this is double, there is no relation here at all. Here also. Then what? Just add them and see if we can do something. This is 12. I am writing it here. 12. 4 plus 10, 14. 11 plus 5, 16. 9 plus 9, 18. Can you see the relationship here now? Yes, they are consecutive even numbers. They are increasing by 2, 2, 2, 2. So next also, next has to be 20, right? So I must go to the option and find out such a option whose addition, serial number ka addition is 20. I am writing it here. RB, which is the correct answer. R is 18, B is 2. Addition is 20. See, you have to write the roll numbers of all and then see addition is 20, then your option is correct. But LG ka addition, OC ka and AT ka, it's not coming to 20. Only RB is 20. So our option is third, RB. Now here, next one. Find out the related term. AJ is DG, IF is what? Write down the roll numbers. A is 1, J is 10, D is 4 and G is 7, I is 9, F is 6. Then what is the relationship? 1, 10, 4, 7. Are they related? See, basic operations, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. You have to make use of them. There won't be a specific method. You have to apply. 1 plus 10, 11. 4 plus 7, 11. Oh, their addition is same. So simple. So 9 plus 6 is 15. So from the options given, we must find out such an option whose addition of the serial number is 15. Right? So let's go ahead. C is 3, this is 13. This is 3, this is 12. K is 11, this is 5. J is 10 and this is 6. So see which one is add up to 15, because 9 plus 6 is 15, right? This we did addition here. So which one is that? CL, because this is coming to 16, this is 15, this is also 16 and this is also 16. We want something which is equal to 15. So CL is our answer. Isn't it easy? Basic addition has given us 2 marks, right? Chalo, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Again here B is 2, C is 3, this is 5 and this is 7, this is 13 and Q is 17. Now observe the numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7. Most of the students must have got it here only. Those students who know prime numbers very well, 2, 3, 5, 7 are consecutive prime numbers. So obviously 13, 17 they are also prime numbers. Next prime numbers are 19, 23. So which one is that? 1923. 19th is S and 23 is W. So obviously our answer is SW. A basic knowledge of prime numbers and we have got 2 marks. Isn't it easy? I told you, nothing extraordinary will be there. Basic operations, various types of numbers which we have already learned. In case you don't know, please see my video on types of numbers. Okay, I have made videos on most of the topics or rather all the topics. Students, I have written the next 2 sums on the board. See this, find the term that belongs to the group. They have given some group. So you must find out the speciality, peculiarity or the quality or whatever you can say of this group given. They must be of some same group. What is that group? To identify that is the main thing. See, mostly I have told you whenever they give you letters, first give their serial numbers. So this is 1, A is 1, this is 9, P is 16. Immediately students will understand looking at this. 1, 9, 16. They are, yes, square numbers. Okay. So from the option, so this is a group of square numbers. So from the option we need to find out the letter which has a serial number equivalent to or equal to square number. Okay. This is 20, this is 25, this is 10 and this is 5. Obviously our answer is why? Because 25 is a square number. Isn't it easy? Tell me honestly. Right? So first give their serial numbers and then see what are they. Okay? See, again I tell you, all types of numbers you must know. Odd even तो एकदम easy है. Square numbers up to 25 at least. Cube numbers up to 10 at least. Triangular numbers, twin prime numbers, co-prime numbers, right? So you all should know this. Next one. SRQ, CBA, GFE. Looking at this you come to know immediately कि they are written in reverse order. ABC के बजाय CBA लिखा है. QRS, EFG. So all these are in this order. So from the option we need to find out which is in the reverse order. KLM, right? So nothing great in this, very easy, right? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Students, next sum will appear on your screen. A rope is to be cut into 13 parts. How many times should it be cut? This is very simple sum, but if you don't know the trick, you may not be in a position to solve it. Remember, parts or pieces, it's same thing. Okay? Cuts or places, they are same thing. Pieces are always one more. See, imagine there is a rope. If I cut it here at one place, how many pieces do we get? 2. Here cut was 1. Pieces how many? Or parts how many? 2. See, this is a rope. If I cut 2 times here, how many cuts? 2. How many pieces? 1, 2, 3. Pieces are 3. So pieces are always one more. Remember this. Here what are they saying? A rope is to be cut into 13 parts. Means pieces or parts. They are 13. So how many times it should be cut? Cuts are always one less. So our answer is 12. Please be careful. This concept is very useful and very important. So you all should know it. Okay students? चलो last sum लेते हैं. Students, see this. They have given certain things this and this is equal to this, like that, and they have told us to find out the value of this. Okay, this is nothing but observation and replacement. Okay, observe and then replace, substitute the value, right? See, this is given here, right? Order doesn't matter. This is given, so instead of this I can write star. This is also given here, so I can write square. Now this is also given here, so our answer is this. So easy. Within few seconds our answer is ready. What we have to do? Only observe. Isn't it easy? Tell me honestly. Okay? Students, with this we are through with this miscellaneous. Students, if you have any query, you can put them, mention them in the comment section. I will definitely try to answer them. Okay? Students, if you enjoy my videos, then share them with more and more students. And in case you have not yet subscribed to my channel, तुरंत subscribe कीजिए. Okay? Because I am going to come with the next video very soon. Till then, what are you supposed to do? Study well. And very important thing is, enjoy studying. Bye.